Exercise 2.10, question number 3. They have given you three inequations: 3x plus 5y greater than or equal to 45, x greater than or equal to 0, y greater than or equal to 0. இந்த மூணு இனிக்குவேஷனையும் சாட்டிஸ்ஃபை ஆகிற மாதிரி கிராஃபில் இருக்கிற அந்த ரீஜனை நம்ம ஷேட் பண்ணணும். இப்போ நம்ம முதல் இனிக்குவேஷன் எடுப்போம். 3x ப்ளஸ் 5y greater than or equal to 45க்கு பதிலாக நான் equal to 45 போட்டு tabular column we have to form, and based on the tabular column I have to draw the line வரைஞ்ச பிறகு இன்இக்குவேஷனில் எந்த சைட் ஷேட் பண்ணணும்னு பார்ப்போம். So let me have 5y equal to 45 minus 3x. Now let me take the 5 to the other side. So what I will have is y is equal to 45 minus 3x by 5. Now let me put various values for x and find out what is the answer for y. Let me first put x is equal to 0. When x is equal to 0, 3 into 0, 0. We will have 45 by 9. 45 by 9 means 5 9s, sir. So the y value is 9, x value is 0. Now let me put x is equal to 5. So when I put x is equal to 5, 5 3s are 15, 45 minus 15, we will have 30. That is 30 divided by 5. 5 6 are 30. So you will have the next point as 5 comma 6. Enough. If I find 2 points, with this I can draw the line after plotting these points on the graph. Let me plot the first point 0 comma 9. Let us see where will be that 0 comma 9. 0 comma 9. So the point 0 comma 9 I have marked it here. Okay, now let us plot the next point 5 comma 6. Let us see where will be that 5 comma 6. So 3 4 5. So somewhere here you will have the point 5 comma 6. Okay, so this place we will have 5 comma 6. Through these 2 points let me draw the line. Through 0 comma 9 and 5 comma 6 let me draw the line. When I join the 2 points I get the line like this. Now you have to think which side we have to shade. Either we have to shade this side or we have to shade above the line. Whether we have to shade below the line or above the line. So let me select a point below the line. Let me select the most easy point 0 comma 0. Let me substitute that 0 comma 0 in the inequation. If it satisfies, then I have to shade below portion. Okay, now let me substitute 0 comma 0 in the above inequation. So substitute 0 comma 0 in 3x plus 5y greater than or equal to 45. So where x is there I have to put 0, where y is there I have to put 0. So 3 into 0 0, 5 into 0 0, I will get 0 is greater than or equal to 45. We know that 0 is not greater than 45, so it is not satisfying the inequation. So we cannot shade below portion of the line. Now let me select a point above the line. So let me select a point, say 3 comma 9. You can see 3 comma 9 lies above the line. So let me see whether 3 comma 9 satisfies the inequation. So substitute 3 comma 9 in 3x plus 5y greater than or equal to 45. 3 3s are x place I am putting 3, so 3 3s are 9. In the place of y I have to put 9. 9 5s are 45. greater than or equal to 45. 45 plus 9, 54. 54 is greater than or equal to 45. Surely 54 is greater than 45. So it is satisfying the inequation. This means we have to shade the region above the line. So let me shade above the line. In the graph, this portion which is above the line, let me shade it up. So I am shading the area above the line. So I have represented the first inequation. Now let us see the next inequation. Next inequation what we have is x is greater than or equal to 0. That means x is positive numbers. So let us see where is x greater than or equal to 0 in the graph. In the graph, all these places, all this region, we are seeing x is greater than or equal to 0. That means we have to take the x values this side of the y-axis. This side of the y-axis, all the x values are greater than or equal to 0. Okay, so now let us see the next inequation. Next inequation is y should be greater than or equal to 0. That means y should be positive numbers or 0. In the graph we know the area above x-axis, y values is greater than 0 and it will be positive. So all the region above x-axis we have y values positive. Now we have to see the region which satisfies all the three conditions. X should be positive, y should be positive, and it should satisfy the first inequation also. That is, it should be above the line. So if you see like that, we can see only one region. So in this region, we can see x is positive, y is positive, and the first inequation is also satisfied. So this shaded region is the answer for the required question.